The best pistols are strong and very accurate. They work well in different kinds of situations and are easy to look after. Using them is simple, and they are very reliable. People in the Army, police, and everyday folks who use guns really like these pistols. They are known as guns that you can always trust. So in order to help with the decision on selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 most reliable pistols ever made that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. 7. S&W M&P 2.0. The Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0, released in 2017, is a polymer-framed, striker-fired pistol and an upgrade from its predecessor, the M&P. It boasts a range of improvements like a textured grip for better hold, an enhanced trigger for smoother operation, and a more durable slide for longevity. Available in full-size, compact, and subcompact models, it's chambered in 9mm Luger with a 17+1 round capacity. This pistol supports various aftermarket accessories, including optics and lasers. Critics and users have lauded the M&P M2.0 for its accuracy, reliability, and ergonomic design. It's known for performing flawlessly, even in tough conditions, making it a trustworthy choice for self-defense. Smith & Wesson has focused on user comfort, offering an ergonomic grip with interchangeable back straps for a personalized fit and a textured grip to enhance control and minimize recoil. The improved trigger and sights contribute to its precision. Trigger provides a crisp, consistent pull, aiding in accurate shooting, while the clear sights assist in swift target acquisition. The M&P M2.0 is ideal for home defense, offering a generous 15-round magazine capacity, which is beneficial in scenarios involving multiple threats. 6. HK-45. The HK-45, made in Newington, New Hampshire, is a large 45 ACP pistol, combining US and German components. It's a 10+1 shot firearm, almost 6 inches tall and over 7.5 inches long. This pistol, following its USP predecessor, features a modular trigger safety system with plans for 10 variations of fire modes and controls. The double-action pull is a smooth 12 pounds, with a lighter-feeling 5-pound single-action pull. Its control lever, positioned like a 1911's thumb safety, functions as safe up, fire down, and fully down to decock. The safety works with a hammer down, allowing cocked and locked carry. The lever is adaptable for left-handed users, and the pistol can fire without the magazine. Featuring ambidextrous slide and magazine releases, the HK-45 surprises with its unique magazine release. A Picatinny rail at the frame's bottom allows attachment of accessories like lights or lasers. The barrel, with an O-ring for a tighter slide lockup, comes with 4 spare O-rings. Equipped with 3-dot night sights and a no-snag overhanging rear sight for one-handed racking, this pistol is ideal for those seeking a large, reliable firearm with night sight, capable of mounting a light or suppressor. 5. Browning High Power. The Browning High Power, an iconic handgun, has gained fame in movies, TV, and among global gun enthusiasts. Designed by John Browning in the early 1900s, this pistol was first intended for military use, but soon became a civilian favorite. A semi-automatic with a single-action trigger, it chambers 9mm Luger and holds 13 rounds, combining portability with firepower. Its compact, lightweight design and preferred exposed hammer make it a popular choice. Transforming into a single-action hammer-fired pistol, the High Power was used by more military units than any other handgun. It pioneered the Wonder 9 concept, laying the groundwork for modern defensive handguns. Renowned for its reliability, ease of use, and maintenance, the Browning High Power stands out as a top choice for self-defense or target shooting. Its timeless design solidifies its status as a true classic in the firearm world. 4. Glock 17. The Glock 17, a standout among handguns, has been a top choice since its debut in 1982. Esteemed for its reliability and accuracy, it's a favorite firearm for militaries and police worldwide. This 9mm pistol, with a 17-round magazine capacity, offers rapid semi-automatic firing capability and excellent control, even in quick succession. Notable for its resilience, the Glock 17 withstands significant wear and tear while remaining functional, an essential trait for emergency use. Its maintenance ease adds to its appeal. If you're considering a reliable handgun, the Glock 17 is a prime candidate. Originating from an Austrian manufacturer, the Glock 17 now anchors a broad range of polymer handguns. In its 5th generation, it's become a globally recognized name, frequently used by law enforcement. A modern take on the classic 1935 Browning high-power design, it boasts outstanding reliability and durability, making Glocks one of the most widespread handguns due to their excellent performance-to-price ratio. 3. CZ75 SP01. Initially unavailable in its homeland, Czechoslovakia, for a decade after its creation, the CZ75 eventually became the standard sidearm of the Czech police. This pistol, reminiscent of the Browning high power with its linkless locked breech barrel, sets itself apart with a double-action mechanism. Unique to the CZ75 is its slide rails positioned inside the grip frame. As a full-size steel-frame double-action single-action DASA pistol, the CZ75 excels in accuracy, reliability, and ergonomics, making it ideal for self-defense, duty carry, and competition. The SP01 model offers a long sight radius for enhanced accuracy, a smooth and crisp trigger in both DA and SA modes, and an ergonomically designed grip for secure handling. Known for its robust performance even in harsh conditions, the SP01 stands out for its affordability, providing high quality at a reasonable price. This makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious shooters seeking top performance. With its blend of accuracy, reliability, and value, the CZ75 SP01 is a top contender for anyone considering a new pistol. 2. Sig P226. Developed by the Swiss-German partnership Sig Sauer, originally for the U.S. Armed Forces, the P226 became the preferred pistol of the U.S. Navy SEALs. This double-action pistol, which can also operate in single-action mode, served with the SEALs for 28 years before being replaced by the Glock 19. Despite this, the P226 remains a top choice among gun enthusiasts. Renowned for its reliability, the P226 has been used by numerous police and military forces worldwide. It supports various calibers, including 9mm, 40 S&W, 357 SIG, and more. The all-metal design, heavier than modern polymer frames, contributes to its low recoil and easy control. It offers a comfortable grip and accessible controls, with a slight beaver tail at the rear for better handling. The P226, particularly in 9mm, is known for its smooth operation. While its cost is on the higher side, its reputation as one of the best steel-frame DASA pistols justifies the investment. The P226 stands as a legend in service firearms, balancing challenging double-action trigger work with an outstanding single-action trigger, making it a fantastic, albeit pricey choice. 1. Beretta 92 FS. The Beretta 92 FS, in production since 1976, is a favored semi-automatic pistol among law enforcement, military, and civilians for self-defense and target shooting. Renowned for its reliability, accuracy, and durability, it is also user-friendly in terms of operation and maintenance. This pistol stands out for its exceptional dependability, widely recognized in various shooting circles. Featuring a fixed barrel and balanced slide, the 92 FS is celebrated for its inherent precision and consistent shot placement. Its ambidextrous safety decocker and slide stop levers cater to both right and left-handed users, enhancing versatility. The grip is designed for comfort and a firm hold, suitable for various hand sizes. With a high magazine capacity of 15 rounds, it offers significant firepower while maintaining compactness. Constructed from steel and alloy, the Beretta 92 FS promises sturdiness and longevity. Its ergonomic design, including a large, comfortable grip, aids in control and accuracy. The DASA trigger system allows for a versatile shooting experience, accommodating different preferences. Safety features like a manual safety, decocker, and firing pin block enhance user safety. The pistol's design and sight system enable precise shots and effective target acquisition, making the Beretta 92 FS a reliable and accurate firearm choice. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of firearms history. We hope you've enjoyed learning about some of the most reliable pistols ever made. These iconic weapons have not only shaped the course of history, but have also earned their place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors around the world. However, getting the most reliable pistols ever made is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.